Hey guys, my name is Samuel Sagwa, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at both colorways of the Air Zoom Spiridon Cage 2 by Nike in collaboration with California streetwear brand Stussy. These released on the 2nd of April 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £140. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the Dover Street Market store, and I want to say a quick shout out to my guy Adriano, who hooked me up both pairs for quite a good price. Both shoes come in a special cream box with red Nike branding and Stussy black logos on the side. The fossil style code is CQ5486200, while the pure platinum is CU1854001. Both shoes come wrapped in white paper with a grey printed glass and gridded special paper above it. No extra laces or accessories can be seen, but I do like the special hard box, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This fossil colorway features a natural hemp vibe with a waffle style cotton mesh and canvas overlays upper. The cream organic look continues with the cream beaded eyelets, rope laces as well as the cotton pull tabs on the tongue and heel. A nice contrast is added with the black hemp swooshes that sits on both sides in the middle, the embroidered mini swoosh at the toe, as well as the black Stussy branding at the toe, tongue and heel. However, the pure platinum pair goes for the OG metallic theme with its dark grey webbed mesh, glossy silver overlays, as well as black rubber accents for that sporty look. Designed by legendary sneaker designer Stephen Smith, this shoe originally released in 2003 with its open stretch mesh upper for ventilation combined with its Firelight and rubber outsole. Of course, like its name suggests, its main feature is the large exposed heel zoom airbag wrapped in a durable thermoplastic called Pebbacks. Unfortunately, these aren't my size, but I've been told that these fit true to size, but due to its open forefoot design, you can sneak down half a size. Now I've shown you both pairs, now it's time to vote for which is better. Comment fossil or pure platinum in the comments below to let me know which colorway you prefer. Also let me know if you managed to pick these up, did you miss out or did you pass? Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and follow me if you like my content. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.